So in this video, I will guide you everyone about funnels. And I know that you are a coach, consultant, and you are working hard for your business to get leads that you desire. But somewhere you stuck and you feel that okay, I need to join another workshops to learn more about clarity and I get confidence. And this is a procrastination overwhelm feeling that every coaches are taking on shoulders and they are walking on the road to find that okay, someone good customers arrived and then I can ask them for my help. And this will never happen just because that the online market is crowded, saturated, but still there is a path, a clear, where you can walk and find your customers. Watch this video till the end and you will have clarity on how you can get started with your coaching business and go online and finding your customers. First thing first, you have to understand the market. You have to find a one particular specific customers you want to help. For example, if you are a coach for a wellness, and if you are only working and if you are solving a one big and urgent problems of customers in wellness niche, then you have a specific market, which is a niche market, and right problems. The first thing first, you have to understand this. If you are not solving an urgent problems, and that's the problems, that's why you're not gaining customers. So the first thing is write down one urgent and important problem of a customers and work on urgent problems. So next step is that on urgent problems, find one key pain problems and design a complete webinar or a workshop or a lead magnet to get their leads. That means data. So for to get the data, you have to set up a funnel. For that, you can use different tools. For example, Endo is a quite good marketing automation tool where you can easily set up your whole funnel and set up your automation. So on a landing page, you write down about your urgent problems, headlines, sub headlines, set up in a video shells letter and benefits, some stories of yourself, why did you start it and why you want to help them, what they'll get in webinar workshop or maybe resources you are sharing with them, and what benefits they get and what impact in their life they get when they use your resources. Add some real testimonials, screenshots, and FAQs that will help you gain more trust, and also money back guarantee if you're charging some low ticket amount from your customers. So now next step is that once you have done this, you have to set up a calendar and you have to set in a marketing automations for those people who have joined your workshop, registered, and then they have joined your WhatsApp group. So you have to set this funnel on the last page, thank you page. You can add the WhatsApp button, and on that button, someone clicks register for the workshop, they can join directly in the WhatsApp group. And next updates you have to share with them as soon as day by day. You have to nurture them before the workshop starts or webinar starts. So now you have to design a workshop. The workshop is a practical thing, so you have to keep it like 2 to 3 hours, and in these 2 to 3 hours, your workshop should have a much value. Likewise, lot of coaches doing mistakes in workshop. They are just busy sharing their own stories for long time, like 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and that will make your people bored. So share your story in between. When you start with the workshops, initially for the 10 minutes, you just set an agenda about the workshop, that what workshop you are hosting, and then in that workshops what their expectations, so they can stay till the end. Also at the end of the workshop, if someone stays, then you can offer them that okay, you will get the recording as well as you'll get some resources as a bonus that will help them to solve a problem. If you're clear with this, you have to design a workshops, and workshop, as I said, that your workshop should be more clear, precise to the practical things, and you have to be really clear with the approach. So now meanwhile you can share some case studies related to your the problem you have solved for other clients, so you can set a more trust with your clients, your attendees. At the end of the workshops, now if you are charging low ticket, you can upsell, or maybe you can invite them in a one-on-one meetings if you want to sell them high ticket. This is the way you get good clients and earn more trust. Make sure that whatever you do, you have to set a time agenda. The time management is really important. Otherwise, you have to manage every customers. So for the time management, you have to understand that the date of the workshops. Meanwhile, you have to set up an automations that runs completely on autopilot, ads, funnels, messages, everything. And after the workshops, you have to set up in your calendars where you can just send out one email or a one WhatsApp message, and they can book a meeting with you on your managed slots, so you do not get distracted. During this process, you have to keep one accountability partner who can handle all those conversations, maybe some DMs, or maybe some people have some doubts. So that accountability partner can help you to solve that problem, so you don't have to invest a lot of time behind chasing all those customers. So now if all this clears, then you can get started with the workshops. So now with this agenda, you will have a roadmap to get customers, and you can sell them high tickets. Many of my customers have done this, and they have generated 6 to 7 figures results in their business. And if you want to do the same, you can follow the whole video and set up the funnel on Veldo, which is a www.veldo.com platforms, which we recently developed only for coaches, consultant, and service provider to jump on online market and find customers and set up their whole automation. Just explore. We are offering 14-day free trial as well, free to go. Also, on a website, we always used to help our clients with the 3 hours of practical workshop. You can join that workshop also. The link you will get on the website. So now, any more questions? Feel free to reach out us. You will find emails in the description below. Have a good day. Thank you.